Hi. It's not working. So turn it.
Bluegill fever. Bluegill fever here in the Bell residence. Why'd you start it? Bluegill fever from the Bell. What? Bluegill fever.
Your voice cracked.
Bluegill. Special announcement stating. Restart. There's snow in my hot chocolate.
Same.
Alright, restart this. Bitter winter wind?
No.
Alright. Bluegill fever. Special announcement. Snow outside.
Show them around the yard, Peter. Here, we'll take you on a tour.
No,
You can stay right there.
Stay here. Stay here!
Alright, fine. Here, come to the edge, and I will show you.
No, it's getting away!
We're good. Come on.
Just restart this. Restart. Shut the frick! Oh. You recorded that! Bluegill fever. Bluegill fever. Special announcement. Snowing. It's a winter wonderland out there. How much snow do you think there is, John? What do you say, this much? How deep do you think that is? 12 inches?
Yeah.
Well, let's find out. With my trusty tape measure.
I'll take it, Zach. Or not.
It's about... Hold on, it has to be the center of the yard. 2.5 inches of sleet. I mean snow. Well, we talk about in this beautiful landscape. Restart that. I actually had the chills there. Bluegill fever. Here. A snowy landscape. How deep do you think the snow is, John? Balls in the sack. Well, how deep? 3 decimeters?
Inches.
3 inches of snow. There you have it, folks. Well, since we got the snow, what's there to talk about? Bluegills?
How to fish in the snow.
Don't fish in the snow. That's all I have for you.
Or fish the bottom for bluegills. Probably catch maybe one within a period of 8 hours.
Ice fishing.
Ice fishing. Let's talk about ice fishing. I've never been ice
Neither
fishing.
have I.
Okay.
Well, that concludes this episode. Have a joyous night. Oh, please.
Too early!
We don't recommend this, but ow! Holy crap! Well, we don't recommend this to you folks. No! I said stop!
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Well, we don't recommend this at home, but gone bluegill fishing at night in the snow. clearing pests amongst Bluegill.
Who threw that snowball at me? Oh, hey guys.
Hey.
Just for that. It wasn't me, it was that guy over there. He's running away. Go get him.
I'm gonna snag you.
Ow.